think I'm gonna go to 10 waterfalls today because 10 is a good number. So we'll see if we can do that. Hi, we're Yvonne and Jeremy. We got married last year and we're now embarking on a new season of life.
In our last video, we drove many hours north from Los Angeles to Portland, Oregon to start on a new multi-month adventure. In today's video, we've stopped in Portland for a day to see as many waterfalls as we can in the Columbia River Gorge National Scenic Area. Good morning, everyone. We are on a brand new day in Portland, Oregon. We've got only a day here, so we're excited to explore the Columbia River and the famous waterfalls along the way, and we're trying to see as many of them as possible. And of course, as we know, Yvonne is obsessed with waterfalls.
Yes, I am very, very obsessed, and I'm very, very excited for what we will do today. We just arrived to Latourell Falls. Right when we got to the parking lot, a car pulled out right away. It's super packed here. There are only 2 rows of actual parking spaces, and then people are parked alongside the highway. I like watching waterfalls because it's like a stream of water that's just shooting out of the mountain and just keeps going and going, and it just never ends. It's just really fun to watch. Just that much water coming out of the mountain.
So Latourell Falls, actually if you just walk 0.1 or 0.2 miles you can get to the viewpoint, but if you keep walking a little further it's a little bit uphill, but you'll be able to see the upper Latourell Falls, which is quieter. It's still a dramatic drop and there are fewer people around there.
We just arrived at the Dell Falls. We almost missed it because we only saw 2 other cars parked here. I just read online that it's a really small parking space, only fit like 4 to 5 cars, so I believe we're at the right place. So we're walking down and we can already hear the waterfall. It seems like it's gonna be a really, really giant one just because of how it sounds. The name of this fall is Bridal Veil. We are now here at the Horsetail Falls. You can just see this fall right off the road. So yeah, there are a bit of people here. It is Labor Day weekend. The Horsetail Falls actually looks like a horsetail. Surprise, surprise. Now we're hiking up to the upper Horsetail Falls to see what it looks like. Jeremy, was it worth it to go up to the upper Horsetail Falls?
Yeah, I mean, it was really nice. I think the hike was short,
but there was an elevation gain, lots of switchbacks. But once we got up there and some of the people cleared away, it was nice to just be there at the upper fall.
We are walking to waterfall number 7 for today. Yeah, not gonna lie, I am getting a little bit tired because all of these waterfalls basically require a bit of a hike. Some of them requires you to go uphill. Some of them are pretty easy right off the road. But yeah, but I'm still very excited. We still have Multnomah and at least one more to go. That was kind of unexpected. We were going up the bridge and we were like, oh, okay, yeah, there's a creek on the side, we can look. But then on our left side, it was a waterfall. I guess that counts as our 7th one. All right, we're getting close to the Wahclella Falls. Wow. Whoa. Oh my gosh. We just went to our 8th waterfall, Wahclella Falls. I think it's by far my favorite one so far. What about you, Jeremy?
Yeah, it's my favorite one.
Yeah, it's my favorite one. We're at the Wahkeena Falls now, and this waterfall is really long. You keep thinking that you're seeing the top of the fall, but then when you look up, there's more running water, so there's different tiers. Wahkeena Falls.
Probably can't hear anything.
Probably can't hear anything, but it's pretty windy up here. You can just imagine how quickly the water is dropping, and we're feeling the force of it on the side. Yeah. We are now driving to our 10th and final waterfall for today, the Multnomah Falls.
Yeah.
I'm excited. It's around sunset time, so I think the falls are going to be really beautiful. Waterfalls, we made our goal.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and we're driving 3 hours north to Port Angeles, Washington tomorrow, so you'll see that in the video on Sunday. But hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next one.